In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a timeline view in Notion, a simple Notion tutorial for beginners. If you've been using Notion for a while now, you might already be familiar with its versatility when it comes to organizing different types of information. Today, we're diving into one of its more visually appealing and efficient features, the timeline view. This is especially useful for tracking projects and tasks over a specific period. Let's start by creating a database. In Notion, your timeline will need to rely on a database setup. You can choose to create a new database from scratch or utilize an existing one, whatever fits your current needs best. If you've never created a database before, don't worry. Simply click Add a Page in the sidebar, then choose Table from the database options provided. Name your database however you like, and you're set for the next step. Now that we have a database, the next step is to add a new view. To do this, head over to the top left of your database and find the plus Add View button. Clicking this will open up a new menu where you can see various view options you can utilize for your data. Notion defaults to a table view, but we're aiming for something visually different and impactful. From the view options, select Timeline View. This option is particularly beneficial when you want to visualize your projects or tasks spread out over time. Once you've chosen Timeline View, give it a distinctive name that reflects how you intend to use it, such as Project Timeline or Weekly Agenda. This way, when you have multiple views, it becomes easy to identify which timeline corresponds to a specific need or project. The next essential step is to add dates to your tasks and projects. Remember, any timeline requires a start and end date to plot and visualize effectively. Go into each database entry you've populated and set a date property. You'll want to ensure that every task or project has a start date and, if applicable, an end date. To do this, click to add a new property, select Date, and fill in the necessary information. Don't forget to configure your date range settings accurately when assigning start and end dates, as this allows you to see the entire span of your projects clearly. With your timeline view now set up, you should see your tasks laid across the timeline. This visualization can help you keep track of project status, upcoming deadlines, and intervals of free time. As with any dynamic tool, feel free to tweak the view settings to fit your personal workflow and visibility preferences. And there you have it. You've successfully added a timeline view to your Notion setup. This new feature should make your time management and project planning more efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!